Who that?
He's so sweet.
What you just say?
He surprised me.
Oh, you could see the tiredness in your eye then, but don't stay there, man. You're stronger than this. You don't beat cancer long time.
Well, this
What's
is
that?
hard to take
For energy.
with the pain, but
Oh,
me ready to take it easy.
okay then.
I can take it every 8 minutes, but
Every
8 minutes hard because I don't want to take it too much because it make me nauseous.
okay.
Okay.
It will send me to sleep too.
Okay.
But the reason why I'm in a little bit more pain because I put in a chest tube today.
You what?
They put in another chest tube today
Oh, okay.
Okay.
They put another chest tube today.
What I help for? What I for? What?
because my lungs collapse and I have to put it in to get the air out.
Okay. Wow.
So I can expand the lungs.
Okay.
Okay.
We're still praying and rowing for you.
God got you, man.
He said it wasn't so bad, but he wanted to do things in the earliest before it get any worse later on.
Okay.
You doctor?
Yeah. And well, I was in a lot of pain yesterday,
Okay.
you know, because the tube that had in me back that was causing so much more pain.
Okay. Well, I'm happy
But
that
it's out.
it's out.
Yeah.
Okay.
That way tell you.